All right, guys, 2024 Chevy Silverado. This is what it sounds like before. 2500 6.6. It's really quiet. There's sound decibels. Right at 86. Stay tuned. All right, guys, Silverado 2500 2024. What we put on it: Black Widow, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. There'll be a link in the description for it right there. Complete the look, and 6-inch tip. And correction, guys, it's a Black Widow neighbor hater. What do you think? You like it? Oh, thumbs up? Love it. Oh, that sounds so good. Yeah, that sounds really nice. Again, right at 102. Deep. Perfect. Silverado 2500. Let you guys hear on the inside. Check it out, guys. They finally updated it. 2024 Chevy 2500 Super Duty. Look at this beast. Really clean. I love it. Wow, leather. They finally upped their game, guys. Beautiful truck. We really appreciate it and bring it in. I love it. Should I trade in my Ram on it? I'm gonna go look at one, guys. And the best thing about it, it's a 6.6 liter gas with an Allison transmission, 10-speed. So they even updated that. That's awesome. That's a good looking truck. I think that'll be my next truck. We'll see. That's perfect tone too. Black Widow neighbor hater. Sounds so good. Enjoy, guys.